Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Fitment channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see how to install Mercedes wheel spacer. The matching wheel stud uses SGS440 steel material, and it has good ductility and high temperature strength resistance, structural stability, low harmful elements, few surface defects, and more advantages. Besides, it has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. With the 12-petal hand design, the petal hands can only be manufactured by superforging technology. The spacer structure design effectively reduces the losing of bolts during use. Not only that, but the bottom of the bolts also has a BONOSS engraved. BONOSS owns factory. By engraving the word B or BONOSS on each BONOSS extending wheel bolt, it is branded guarantee of quality and the protection of customers' interests. For normal driving, they can easily withstand hundreds of strong shocks and are sufficient to cope with intense racing competitions. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.